Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a project that's close to my heart, creating a spa-like retreat right in your own home. Now, I love a good clawfoot tub as much as the next person. But let's be honest, they aren't the easiest things to climb into, especially as we get older, right? That's why I'm so excited to show you 5 incredible walk-in tubs that prioritize both safety and luxury. You see, for me, a bathroom should be a sanctuary, a place to unwind, de-stress, and take care of yourself. These walk-in tubs do just that, offering a blend of functionality, comfort, and style that can truly transform your daily routine. We're talking features like heated seats, soothing jets, and easy access doors that make bath time a breeze. So whether you're looking to age in place comfortably, need a little extra support and safety, or simply want to elevate your bathroom experience, these walk-in tubs are definitely worth considering. Let's get started. First up, we have the American Standard walk-in tub, and let me tell you, this one's a classic for a reason. Imagine this. You step through the watertight door, and it truly is watertight, with a lifetime warranty to back it up, and you're greeted by this beautifully designed tub with a low step-in threshold. No more awkwardly hoisting yourself over the edge. Now, safety is paramount, wouldn't you agree? That's why I love that American Standard has incorporated built-in grab bars strategically placed for maximum support. And the slip-resistant flooring? Well, that's just good peace of mind, isn't it? Once you're inside, you can settle into the comfortable seat, perfectly contoured to support your back. And then, the real magic begins. American Standard offers a fantastic range of hydrotherapy options with air and water jets that target different areas of your body. It's like having a spa right at your fingertips. The air jets release thousands of tiny bubbles that gently massage your muscles, improving circulation and relieving tension. And the water jets? Oh, they provide a more powerful, invigorating massage, perfect for soothing sore joints and aching muscles. It's that attention to detail, that blend of function and luxury, that makes all the difference. You know, investing in a walk-in tub is a big decision, which is why I appreciate that American Standard stands behind its products. They offer a 10-year warranty on the tub itself, giving you that extra reassurance that you're making a sound investment. To me, that speaks volumes about the quality and durability of their craftsmanship. I can just picture it now. You, relaxing in your American Standard walk-in tub, letting the warm water and gentle massage melt away the day's stress. It's about creating a space where you can truly unwind, rejuvenate, and prioritize self-care. And with this tub, you can do just that. Next up, we're taking a look at the Kohler walk-in bath. And let me tell you, this one's all about customization and convenience. I'm talking about features that make your life easier and more enjoyable, which is what we all want, right? One of the things I love most about this tub is the quick drain technology. Have you ever had to wait what feels like forever for a tub to drain? Well, Kohler has solved that problem with this innovative system. It quickly and efficiently whisks away the water, so you're not left waiting around. Talk about a game changer. And of course, safety is always top of mind, especially in the bathroom. Kohler understands this, which is why they've incorporated a slip-resistant floor into their walk-in tub design. It's that attention to detail that really makes a difference. But here's where Kohler truly shines: customization. They offer a range of options to tailor the tub to your specific needs and preferences. Want a heated backrest to keep you warm and cozy on those chilly evenings? No problem. Kohler has you covered. Prefer a specific type of jet placement for a truly personalized hydrotherapy experience? They can do that too. It's all about creating a bathing experience that's uniquely yours, and that's something I can definitely get behind. Think about it. A long, stressful day comes to an end, and you step into your Kohler walk-in tub. The heated backrest gently warms your back as you choose your perfect jet setting, customizing the water pressure and direction to target those aching muscles. The quick drain technology ensures you won't be waiting around to enjoy the rest of your evening. It's that level of personalized comfort and convenience that can truly elevate your daily routine. Chapter 3. Now, if you're looking for a walk-in tub that seamlessly blends safety and luxury, then look no further than the SafeStep walk-in tub. This one's all about creating a spa-like experience right in your own home, without compromising on practicality and peace of mind. Let's start with the basics, getting in and out of the tub safely. The SafeStep tub features a low entry threshold, making it incredibly easy to step in and out without having to navigate a high ledge. And once you're inside, you'll notice the durable acrylic construction. This material is not only beautiful, but also incredibly strong and easy to clean, a winning combination in my book. But let's talk about the features that really make this tub special. The therapeutic options. SafeStep offers a range of features designed to enhance your bathing experience and promote relaxation. Imagine this. You're soaking in the warm water, surrounded by the gentle hum of air and water jets, targeting those tired muscles and melting away tension. But it doesn't stop there. SafeStep also offers optional aromatherapy, allowing you to infuse the air with your favorite calming scents like lavender or chamomile. And if that wasn't enough, they even have chromotherapy. Now, if you haven't heard of chromotherapy, it involves using different colored lights to promote healing and well-being. It's like having a mini spa session right in your own bathroom. But here's the icing on the cake. SafeStep offers a comprehensive lifetime warranty on all components of their tubs. That's right, a lifetime warranty. That means you can enjoy your tub for years to come, knowing that you're protected. To me, that speaks volumes about the quality and craftsmanship of their products. Chapter 4. Let's talk about Ella's Bubbles and their incredible Independence walk-in tub. You know, one of the things I admire most about Ella's Bubbles is their commitment to creating products that promote independence and enhance quality of life. And this tub is a perfect example of that. One of the first things you'll notice about the Independence tub is the dual drain system. Now, you might be thinking, why 2 drains? Well, let me tell you, it makes a world of difference. This innovative system allows for super fast drainage, so you're not left waiting around for the tub to empty. And let's be honest, nobody wants to sit in a tub of lukewarm water, right? But of course, safety is always paramount. That's why Ella's Bubbles has incorporated strategically placed grab bars and anti-slip floors to provide you with that extra peace of mind. And for added comfort, they've even included a built-in heated backrest, because who doesn't love a little extra warmth and coziness? But here's what really sets Ella's Bubbles apart: their commitment to providing options that fit your specific needs and space. They offer a variety of sizes and configurations, so you can find the perfect tub for your bathroom, no matter how big or small. Whether you need a compact model for a smaller bathroom or a larger tub for added space and comfort, Ella's Bubbles has you covered. Imagine this. You step into your Ella's Bubbles Independence walk-in tub, the warm air from the heated backrest enveloping you like a cozy hug. You turn on the jets, customizing the pressure and direction to target those sore muscles, and let the worries of the day melt away. The dual drain system ensures a quick and efficient draining process, so you can enjoy the rest of your evening without delay. It's that level of thoughtfulness and attention to detail that truly sets Ella's Bubbles apart. Chapter 5. Last but certainly not least, we have the Universal Tubs Walk-In Bathtub, a true testament to the fact that safety and luxury can go hand in hand. This tub is all about creating a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home, without compromising on accessibility and peace of mind. One of the first things you'll notice about the Universal Tubs model is the wide door designed for easy access. No more awkwardly squeezing through a narrow opening. This door is not only spacious but also features a secure latching mechanism, ensuring that it stays tightly closed during your bath. And speaking of peace of mind, Universal Tubs has truly gone above and beyond when it comes to safety features. They've incorporated grab bars, a non-slip floor, and a built-in seat, all designed to provide you with that extra level of support and security. Now let's talk about the features that make this tub feel like a true escape from the everyday. Universal Tubs offers a range of luxury options, including air and water jets that transform your bath into a rejuvenating hydrotherapy session. Imagine this. You step through the wide door, feeling a sense of calm wash over you as you lower yourself into the warm water. You activate the air jets, releasing thousands of tiny bubbles that gently caress your skin, improving circulation and easing muscle tension. Then you switch to the water jets, choosing your desired pressure and direction to target those specific areas that need a little extra TLC. As the warm water and soothing jets work their magic, you can't help but feel the stress of the day melt away. And with a lifetime warranty on their tubs, Universal Tubs provides that extra reassurance that you're making a lasting investment in your well-being. Well, there you have it, friends. 5 incredible walk-in tub options that prove you don't have to sacrifice safety for style or comfort. Whether you're looking to age in place gracefully prioritize accessibility, or simply elevate your daily routine with a touch of spa-like luxury, there's a walk-in tub out there for you. Remember, your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can relax, recharge, and take care of yourself. And what better way to do that than with a soothing, luxurious bath in a tub designed with your needs in mind? Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover the perfect walk-in tub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on home improvement and luxury living. See you next time.